District level practice exam 2 solutions. Okay. Main first, choose the correct answers among these four. Now the first question is, if a pair of linear equation, that is this one and this one, intersect each other, then its ratio is, among these four, the correct answer is this, because it is intersecting lines. Okay. So the second question is, now the second question is, a pair of linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0 are represented by the given options. Okay. So first I am going to write here 2 by 4, next is 3, and here it is 6, and next is minus 9, and here it is minus 18. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are, minus minus get cancelled, 9 ones are 9 twos are. So it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Now this is the best option is coincidence lines. Okay. Now the third question is a standard form of quadratic equations, and there are four options in this. Okay. The correct answer for the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now the fourth question is, if the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 have real and equal roots, then which of the following is true? Always remember, for the real and equal roots, it is b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now is equal to 0. Now b square is equal to, if this goes on the right hand side, so it will become plus 4ac. Now if I rearrange this, b square divided by 4 is equal to 4ac. So the correct option is C. Now fifth question is, if x square minus 6 is equal to 0, then value of x is. So x square, take this minus on the right hand side, it will become plus. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 6. That's it. The value of x is plus or minus root of 6. Now sixth question. If a pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and one more equation, that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are inconsistent, then the solution have. Always remember, for inconsistent it is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. Okay. So this is the answer. Now seventh question, if pair of linear equation x minus y is equal to 1 and x plus ky is equal to 5 has a unique solution at x value is 2 and y value is 1, then the value of a k, we need to find the value of k. Now in place of x I am going to substitute 2 and in place of y I am going to substitute 1. K into 1 is k, 5. Take this 2 on the right hand side, it will become minus. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So the value of k is 3. Now main third, which is of 2 marks. Eighth question is, solve these pair of linear equations. They have given 2 pair of equations. Okay. They did not mention whether it is a substitution method or elimination method. Okay, I'll solve by both the methods. So if I take this y on the right hand side, it will become y plus 2. Now I'll substitute this x value here. So x plus y is equal to 8. So x value is a y plus 2. Now how many y are there? 2. When this 2 goes to the right hand side, it will become 6. So y is equal to 3. Again substitute this. X is equal to, y value is 3. So x is 5. So this is the answer. This is by substitution method. Now elimination method, you can write like this. This is plus and this is minus, so directly it will get cancelled. So x plus x is 2x, 8 plus 2 is 10, so x is equal to 10 by 2. You can see here elimination is also answer is 5, and substitution method the value of x is 5. Substitute in any of one equation. Let me substitute in the first equation. Write this 5 on the left hand side, it will become minus. So 8 minus 5 is 3. You can see both the values are same. So ninth question is, solve the quadratic equation x square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now tell me two numbers. If you multiply you must get 12, and if you add you must get 7. So the numbers are 3 and 4. So what I am going to write here, x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. In this 2, what is common? X is common, so I am going to write x plus 3. In this 2, what is common? 4 is common, so I am going to write x plus 3. Again you can see x plus 3, x plus 3. Write it as a x plus 3, and the remaining terms are x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now x plus 3 is equal to 0, x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to, when plus 3 goes to the right hand side it will become minus 3, and when plus 4 goes to the right hand side it will become minus 4. Then the roots are minus 3 and minus 4. Now 10th question, determine the nature of roots of the quadratic equation 3x into x minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So multiply this now. 3x square minus 3 2 is 6x is equal to minus 1. Now take this minus 1 on the left hand side, it will become plus is equal to 0. Now quadratic equation, the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is the value of a? So it will be 3, b is minus 6 and c is 1. For nature of roots, it is b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now let's see. Now b value is minus 6 square minus 4 into a value is 3 and c value is 1. So this is 36 minus 4 3s are 12. So it will be 24, which is greater than 0. So the nature of roots says that two distinct real roots. Whenever it is greater than 0, then it is two distinct real roots. This is nature of roots. Now 11th question is, if roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0 are alpha and beta, then determine the value of this. Now for this equation, tell me two numbers. If I multiply it should be minus 10, and if I add then it should be 3. The two numbers are 2 5s are 10. Okay. So plus 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 and plus into minus is minus 2 5s are 10. Okay, so what I am going to write here, x square minus 2x plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. In this 2, what is common? It is x. So it will be x minus 2. In this 2, what is common? 5. So it is x minus 2. Again, I am going to write x minus 2 and the remaining terms are x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus 2 goes to the right hand side, it will become plus 2, and plus 5 goes to the right hand side, it will become minus 5. So this is alpha and this is beta. Now substituting here in this, so 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 5. So plus into minus is minus, so it will be minus 1 by 5. So if I take LCM, 5 into 1 is 5, 2 into 1 is 2, 5 2s are 10. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 by 10 is the answer. Now this is 3-mark question. So 12th question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. Now let us consider fraction as a x by y. Again, in the first line, it is if we add 1 to the numerator. So I'm going to add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. So I'm going to subtract 1 from the denominator. A fraction reduces to 1. So I have written 1 here. Next, it becomes half. Okay, I'm going to write half here. So here x by y, since it is a fraction. Now, if we only add 1 to the denominator, so I have added 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? Now, from this we will get two equations. Here I am going to write x plus 1. Now, if I multiply this, so it will be y minus 1. So, if I take this y on the left hand side, it will become minus, and if I take 1 on the right hand side, it will become minus. So, x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is one equation. Now, if I multiply this, so it will be 2x is equal to y plus 1. If I take y on the left hand side, it will become minus. This is the other equation. Now, solving these two, 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now, x minus y is equal to minus 2. These two variables are same. So, I am going to change the sign. So, minus if it is plus, if it is minus, then I must write plus, and if there is a minus, then I have to write plus. So, this minus sign and plus sign get cancelled. So, 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So, x value is 3. Substituting in any of the equation. So, let me substitute in this. 2x minus y is equal to 1. X value is 3. Okay, 3 2s are 6. If my this right side 1 comes to the left hand side, it will become minus. This minus y goes to the right hand side, it will become plus. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay. Now, what is the fraction? X value is 3 and y value is 5. So this is your answer. Now 13th question is, if a 2-digit number is such that it is 4 times the sum of its digits and twice the product of its digits, then find the number. Okay. Now let two numbers be x and y. Since it is a 2-digit, so always remember, for 2-digit you need to write 10x plus y. Okay. Now is 4 times, so I am going to write 4. Sum of the digits, so I have considered two numbers or a digit as a x and y, so it is a sum, means x plus y. So this is for the first expression. Now next, and twice the product of the digit. So 2-digit, what I have written here, it is 10x plus y. Twice, so I have written 2. Product of digits, so it is 2xy. Now let us solve this. 10x plus y is equal to 4x plus 4y. Now take this 4x on the left hand side, it will become minus. Now take this y on the right hand side, it will become minus. So this will become 6x is equal to 3y. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So 2x is equal to y. Now this side, in place of y, substitute 2x. So 10x plus, in place of y, I am going to substitute 2x is equal to 2x, and this will become 2x. So this will be 12x, this will be 4x square. Now both these will go in the same table. So I will divide by 4. 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. So 3x minus is equal to x square. Take this 3x on the left hand side. Okay, so it will become minus. Now take common. So x is common, so x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 3. Now this x will become 0, since x is representing at the 10th place. So x is equal to 0 is not valid. So we have to consider x value as a 3. So if I consider x value as a 3 here in this equation, so 2 into 3, so y value will become 6. So y value will become 6. Now substituting in this to get two digit number. So it is 10x plus y. 10, x value is 3 and y value is 6. So 10 into 3 is 30 plus 6. So the answer is 36. Now 14th question. Solve the system of linear equation by graphical method. So the equation is 2x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 1. Now always whenever they give an equation, write x, y, take this as a 0, then next this as a 0. For the next equation also same, write x, y, write this as a 0 and the next y as a 0. Now if x is 0, you can see y is equal to 8. When y is 0, here 8, the coefficient of x is 2, so divided by 2, so it will be 4. When x is 0, you can see minus here, so it will go to the right hand side, so y will become minus 1. When y is 0, so x will become 1. Present this in the graph. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay, now x term, the highest number is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and y-axis, the highest number is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And here there is a minus. So I am going to write here minus. 0 to 8, so 8 is here, mark it, and 4 to 0, so 4 is here, so draw a line, okay, and write here 2x plus y is equal to 8. Now here in the second equation, 0 and minus 1, 0 to minus 1, mark here, 1, 0, so mark here, okay, draw a line from here and write the equation x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, so this completes your graph. Always remember, write scale. Okay, so x axis is 1 unit. This 1 unit in the graph is equal to 1 centimeter, and y axis 1 unit, this 1 unit are all 1 centimeter. Okay, so this completes your district level practice exam 2. I hope you all understood. Thank you.